So you've decided to create your own WordPress website. Now here comes some of the questions that you may be finding yourself needing to answer. Like, what's the difference in a membership site versus a WooCommerce site or a monetized blog site? Well, in this video, I'm going to try to give you the answers to those in just a few steps. Now, my website is a combination of the three that we mentioned: the membership site, the WooCommerce site, and the monetized blog. So let me show you what I'm talking about really quick. So the membership site, I sell courses and Excel spreadsheets. And what we do here is, let me show you, I use MemberMouse, and it allows you to sell products, protect your content, so you can put things on your site that your users or your members can access. And they could be like PDFs, videos, software, and more. And this is what I use to sell my courses with. Then I can manage my members as well as send them to my MailChimp so that I can send emails and things like that, and maximize my revenue, they say here. So this would be like affiliate channel tracking, email marketing through there, and be able to get more sales there. So if you're wanting to use, say, WooCommerce, now you can sell digital and physical products on WooCommerce. I use WooCommerce to sell in my shops. So say I have this baby shower shop and it has physical products. Now when I'm using my membership or MemberMouse, it kind of conflicts with the checkout part for WooCommerce. So I just created another domain. So you can see this says Southern Mom Flair Shops, and my main website is Southern Mom Flair, and I just connected them with some links. So that's a way that you can avoid having a conflict if your membership site has some issues with WooCommerce. And I'm sure there are ways to do that with MemberMouse and WooCommerce, but it was just easier for me to do it this way. So that's how I did it. And if you're looking for some hosting that is specifically for WooCommerce or helps you get your stuff loaded quickly, I recommend and use SiteGround for all of my websites. But I like that they have the WooCommerce because it has all of the different plugins and things that you'll need to be able to start really quickly. And it also, has some different information on here as far as like how to build your website, how to make a transition. I like it also because you can order your domain from them. You don't have to do that transfer. Let me see, where was that? The website transfer. So that makes it really easy. Plus, it's very affordable. And so if we use the WooCommerce button here, you can see that you have 3 plans that you can start with: Startup, Grow Big, or Go Geek. And I started with the Grow Big because there was a special price when I started, and it worked really well for me. But now things have got a little bigger, and so I needed to have the Go Geek so I would have more space. And now I use it. I like it a lot because you get your free SSL, and this is the security certificate. And some of the hosting plans offer it for free, and some of them charge for it. But if you don't have it, then Google's not going to send anybody to your website. And you can tell that you have it by the little lock here. But also, if you look at your URL, you can see HTTPS. If it doesn't have this S, it's not considered a secure site. So make sure that when you're getting your hosting, if you're not going to go with, say, SiteGround, for instance, that you are getting the SSL as part of it, and you'll be good. And then, oh, we were talking about monetizing our blog. So I'll show you one of my blog posts that is monetized, so you will know what I mean. And it just means that you are going to use affiliate links. Well, in the Walmart grocery pickup, anybody can do this, and then you don't have to really sign up for an affiliate account with Walmart. You get a referral code, and so you can use that right in here or here. Anytime you see these links, these are all to monetize your blog. And I get a lot of $10 off coupons for ordering my groceries just because I have this blog. I've added value by showing people how to use it. Here is a video for using it on your phone, or here's a video for using it on the computer. So that is just some ideas on how you can monetize your blog or use a membership site. You can tell this is a membership site because it has the log in and log out. So I'm logged in right now, and I can see all of the items that I've purchased as a member here. And then the shops is the WooCommerce.